Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello, and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video takes us to New Jersey, where we find a Sovtard who was driving under a suspended license and ends up getting arrested, and then ends up blaming other people for his actions. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this freaking show on the road, shall we?
Stolen, suspended, on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee color white, out of Newark, 46 Roman, holding jail.
Bravo, 4, being around.
For absolutely nothing. Not absolutely nothing. You're suspended, your license, and your registration. So I need your license, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything. Call the sergeant.
License, registration, insurance.
I'm not giving you anything.
Yes.
I want to speak to your manager.
Well, Sovtard, you're supposed to present your driver's license in New Jersey on request at a traffic stop. I mean, it is the law according to this statute right here. So why don't you go ahead and research that instead of listening to these Sovtard gurus who've led you astray and are about to get you arrested, you moron.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
Look, check this out.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
You want me my license and registration? And I'm telling you.
Or step it up. All right, sir. Step out for me, please.
I'm not getting out my car. As you see, I'm asking for a superior. No. You're not about to open my door. Look at me trying to open my door.
That's right.
Look at you. No, get out of my car.
No, sir.
No, get out of my car.
Get out.
Get out of my car.
Get out.
Can I see a superior?
No, absolutely not. You can speak to one later.
No. I got to talk to a superior. No, No, you can't open my door.
Yes,
this against the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You cannot open my. You cannot open my. Look what he's doing, y'all.
Yes, sir.
You cannot open my door. You cannot open my door.
Step out.
No, you're not.
Step out.
Get out the car.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
No, you're not.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
No, you're not.
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
Get off of my what's your name?
Step out, you're getting dragged out.
Dragged out for what?
Step, bro, don't do it.
Dragging me out for?
Step out, step out, step out, step out, step out.
Look at this.
Put the phone down. Put the phone down and turn around.
No, it's not.
Put it down.
No, it's not. I'm not
under
arrest.
Put it. Yes, you are. Turn around.
Arrest for what?
Turn around.
What am I under arrest for? Get off of me,
bro.
Get off of me, bro.
Bro, you're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
Look at this. Yo, listen, I'm not resisting.
You're gonna get sprayed.
Put your hand behind your back. My hand is behind my back.
Put your hand behind your back.
My hand behind my back.
Turn around.
Man, get the off of me.
No, turn around.
Why the you pulled me over?
I just told you, but you didn't want to listen. You want to scream.
I ain't listening. I am listening. You told. I said, give me a sergeant.
No, sir. That's not how that works.
That's how it goes.
No, it doesn't. Turn around. You're gonna get sprayed. Turn around.
You're not gonna spray me.
Yes, I am. If you don't turn around, I promise you I will. I promise you.
I promise you won't.
I promise you.
You know who I am. Look at my phone. Hey, y'all see this, right?
Well, dude, if you listened the first time, we wouldn't have to be here.
Y'all see this? They harassing me for nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I'm not resisting. Look.
Yes, you were, bro. You don't listen.
It's on camera. I hope y'all camera was on. I wasn't resisting.
It's on for all this, bro, so you're not having to okay.
What y'all locking me up for? What am I
just turn this shit down?
Y'all locking me up.
Nah, we're good. One detained.
What did y'all locking me up for? I ain't do shit.
Stop fucking yelling, all right?
I ain't do nothing.
Relax, man. Act like a fucking adult.
Man, get your fucking hands
Act like an adult.
Stop putting your hands on my face. Get this guy right here, please.
Relax.
Please get him. He is doing. He is illegal.
No, it's not illegal.
Screaming.
Number one, you're
Yo, this guy pulled me over for nothing. I'm at Shore Hills Mall.
You want me to tell you why? You want to keep screaming?
Yo, he's dragged me out my
Relax. Act like a fucking adult.
Yo,
2
him.
seconds. I'm gonna fucking speak with him.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
I was at Shore Hills Mall.
Okay.
I came around to what's the name? I came out. He threw his lights on.
Okay.
I followed all over. He said, I pulled you over because your license suspended. I said, why'd you running my plates? I didn't do a traffic.
We can run your plates.
I understand that, but I can't. But listen, you cannot pull me over if it's not a traffic infringement. I done been through this shit.
Listen.
Yeah, I really doubt that you've been through any of that kind of stuff if you're that ignorant of the law. If you think driving on a suspended license is okay, then you apparently have not been to court and learned that that is not exactly okay because a judge would educate you otherwise.
Listen, we can run your plate regardless.
But you can't pull me over for no traffic. If you pull me over, it's got to be a traffic infringement. I did not disobey no traffic. What's the name?
I get that.
But look,
you're not listening to me.
I understand what you're saying. I know my rights.
Okay.
I know my rights.
Listen, I know.
was in my car. This guy took me out my car.
Rights.
Yes, he is. You cannot take me out my car. I called for a sergeant. I said, can you give me a superior?
Sergeant's on the way.
I said, can you give me? No, he pulled me out my car. No, I ain't getting no superior. He pulls me out my car, started opening my door, then he stepped back and about to spray me. Sir, you cannot do that to me. Okay, if you want something from me, I'm getting out the car. Then he say he gonna spray me. I'm like, bro, why you gonna spray me? Look at, man, he just started treating me all crazy, man. And that's the only reason why I'm bad. Because you can't pull me out my car. Everything he did was totally illegal. Totally illegal. That was illegal. He pulled me out my car right there. He went inside. He took his hand and went inside of my car and opened my door and started pulling me out of my car.
When did he put his lights on?
He put his lights on back there.
Back by the mall, right?
Back by the mall.
Why did it take you so long? That's why he's doing this. It's because it took you this long.
I said I was going to pull into a residential area. I didn't want to pull in over the highway. I thought I was getting...
Well, gee, that was their next mistake of not pulling over right away. You see, when the police turn on their lights and indicate that you're the one that's going to get pulled over, you got to pull over. Otherwise, this is going to happen to you. You're going to be told what the RES is, and then if you don't comply like you did, then, well, the consequences happen afterward. But you know what? I guess it's just too complicated for a knuckle-dragging Sovtard to understand anyway.
Off in the residential area when it said Morristown. But when I got on the highway, I saw it wasn't. I pulled over. I said, okay, I ain't gonna go too far because I don't want to make it seem like they're chasing me. So when he got right here, I said, okay, yo, just call the superior. I said, what are you pulling me over for? It wasn't like I speeded. It wasn't like I was speeding, taking a high-speed chase. I was doing about 25 miles per hour.
I get it.
So when I pulled over, he opened the door. You grabbing me out for what? My car not coming back reported stolen. Okay, you may say I'm driving on suspended license. Okay, yeah, I'm giving up my right as a living being. I'm going as salvaging. All my paperwork is being done. I don't need no license, registration, or no plates. They told me to take my plates off.
Now, who told you that you didn't have to drive in New Jersey without a license plate or registration or insurance for that matter? Because, well, the law definitely says otherwise on that. Was it one of these Sovtard gurus that said that to you and you actually believed him? Well, that's on your head, dumbass. Maybe you should actually study the law instead of listening to what other people say, because they can lead you astray if these gurus think your brain's not okay.
So the court told me to take their plates off. I got a Lonio title to my car. I don't need this shit.
You need to have it registered.
Yeah, no, you don't.
Whatever they told you is a lie.
Listen,
I'm explaining to you.
I understand.
New Jersey title code says you need to have a license.
I understand.
A registered vehicle with a license.
But it's federal. It's federal. And so the Supreme Court is the supreme law of the land.
We're not going to get into that.
I understand all that, but I went through it. So you know what? And he shouldn't have never did what he did, pulling me out my car. I wasn't in no high-speed chase.
I understand. But when it takes you almost a mile.
No, it wasn't no mile. I just turned.
Mile, whatever.
It wasn't even no half mile. I turned off right there.
On the on-ramp, right?
Yeah, on-ramp. I ain't even 1,000 feet.
Okay.
Probably 1,000 feet away. But for him to go in my car and pull me out my car, I am suing you, bro. Okay. He started munching my face, talking about turn around. Why you got your hands in my face, man?
Spitting it.
I'm not spitting, bro. I'm talking this way. He's got his hands in my face.
All right.
I am suing the shit out of y'all, bro. I'm suing it. Yo, you should have saw what he doing to me. He dragged me out my car, man. He dragged me out of my car. Where's your superior at, man?
No,
this is totally wrong. Nah,
sitting in the back. Go ahead.
Give my phone. Where's my phone at?
He's gonna go right next to you.
This guy's nasty, bro. This guy's nasty. Please, somebody give me another officer, man.
Sit in the car.
Please, where's I need...
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Everything's being recorded. You got another camera right in front of you.
I don't care, man. You was totally disrespectful, man. You was totally disrespectful.
Who started screaming from the beginning?
You shouldn't have pulled me out my car.
Who started screaming from the beginning?
You shouldn't have pulled me out my car.
Okay.
Dude, man, Matos should apparently...
Matos pulled him over?
Yeah, on Light 4, I guess he lit him up, and he didn't stop until here. So I guess Matos walked in and got all hot because he didn't stop for whatever, a mile. Okay. So he tried to pull him out, and the guy started resisting. I don't know, talk to Matos.
That's fine. This is open like this?
Yeah, after he pulled him out. We just tried to yank him out because he didn't stop?
No, well, not because of that. Like, that'd be silly. I came around this side, and I said, all right, sir, so, and right off that, you. I'm not stopping. I'm not doing none of this. I'm suspended. You didn't pull me over for no fucking reason. Start screaming at me right from the beginning. I said, I'm not doing shit. I'm not giving you nothing. I was like, okay, then get out the car.
Yeah, all right.
No, it wasn't.
You're good, bro.
Yeah. So then I told him to get out. He didn't want to get out. He started spitting everywhere. So that's why I was like, oh. No, he was spitting towards us. He spit like towards Tyler too. That's why he was turning the car.
You know I ain't
Hey, listen. What's your first name?
My name is Deshaun Wiggins.
Deshaun Wiggins.
Yes,
all right.
my ID and all my license.
All right,
all
that's
that
fine.
stuff right there, man.
Listen. So here's what's going on. He's saying that the boss is on the way. By the way, I call him.
Yes.
He's saying that you didn't want to give him any paperwork, like license, registration, any of that
I
stuff.
said when he pulled over, I said, "What are you pulling me over for?" I have the right to ask.
Correct,
why you
and he has the right to tell you. He's supposed to tell you.
He said, and I said, "Can I speak to him?" He said, "No." He said, "Get out the car." I said, "What are you pulling me over for?" He said, "License, registration." I said, "Sir, what are you pulling me over for?"
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Listen, I saw him. He chased me. He chased me.
From the mall?
From the mall.
Okay.
He chased me. Listen. I didn't want to pull over on the highway. I wanted to pull into town.
We get that, yeah.
Right? That's all I want to do. Not only that, look at his camera. I stopped and I said, "Excuse me, officer, I'm trying to pull over on the town." I said that outside of my car window. He said, "Pull over." I said, "You know what? I ain't gonna try to cause no problems." I pulled over. If you look at that video camera, you will see my hand out the window saying, "Officer, pull on the side of me." He said, "No, I'm not pulling on the side of you." I said, "Okay, I'm just trying to pull into town." I said, "You know what? I pulled over." I said that. Ask him, did I say that? Why is he checking my car? I'm not. This is not a criminal. This is not a criminal stop. This ain't a criminal stop. Tell him to get out my car. I did not give him consent to check my car. Please, officer.
They can't go in your car.
He is in my car. He is in my car. They are checking my car for what? For what? He can't be in my car.
We're allowed to look what's in plain view.
Listen, you can't check my car.
We can look and see what's in plain view. He's not going to go in there. If he goes in there, correct. You're all correct. But we can look from outside the car and see what's in there. That's fine.
I don't have a problem with him checking the car, but like him right there, he just violated me. You cannot pull me over if it's not a traffic stop. Even if you see my license or something that expired, you have to wait till I do something illegal and use that as a what's the name.
That's not correct.
Rockland versus U.S. 425-261, Title 16, 2016. If Union Police hit somebody's license plate, you pulled them over while they in the parking lot. When they pulled them over, they gave him a ticket, towed his car, and said that
in the parking lot.
Yeah, in the parking lot. Put him over in the parking lot, towed his car. Said what was the traffic infringement? Said we hit his plate. They said that's not enough to cover to have somebody pulled over and then tow their car
in the parking lot.
Yeah, he pulled him over in the parking lot. He was about to pull him out. He was about to pull out. He blocked him in. This is the same thing. I did not commit no traffic infringement.
You're not in the parking lot anymore. You're driving the car on a public roadway.
I didn't commit no traffic infringement. I didn't die. I wasn't speeding.
I understand.
Listen, I wasn't speeding. I made my left-hand turn. I turned my signals on. I wasn't doing nothing illegal. I did not do.
I understand.
Traffic. So what kind
is your license suspended? You don't have to tell me. I mean, he's going to run it anyway.
Listen, all this stuff, I let all this go. They told me I had to let my license be suspended. I had to let my registration run out in order to get my sovereignty. So that's what they had told me. So I let it all run out. I didn't pay it. And then once I'm in it right now, my paperwork is in. My baby mother sent all the paperwork.
What is that for?
It's for my sovereignty. It's for your living rights. You don't have to have your license.
So you're a sovereign citizen is what you're saying?
Yes, I'm applying for my sovereign citizen.
In the state of New Jersey, if you don't provide license, registration, insurance, or at least your license, you're going to get arrested.
He's checking my car. Look, he's inside of my car. Look, he's inside of my car. He's inside of my car.
Hang on. What's he doing? What are you doing? This guy's fucking flipping out.
I have to get these bags. What are we talking?
He's a sovereign citizen.
Yeah. He was going. He went ballistic on me right from the beginning. I didn't even get a chance to say nothing to him. He started screaming, yelling. I'm not.
Well, that's what he said. He told me he asked you what you were stopping him for.
Yeah.
And then you're like, I'll tell you after you give me your paperwork.
Not in the slightest. None of that happened. As soon as I walked out the window, I'm not giving you shit, nothing like that. He said, why the fuck are you stopping me? You're driving while suspended. Okay, I'm not giving you shit.
Well, that's what he said. He's in there fucking citing case law to me. And I'm like, dude, in the state of New Jersey, we can run your registration. Yeah. And if anything comes back wrong, then we can stop you.
It hit off my LPR. I didn't even run.
Is he tinted though?
Tinted too.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a whole bunch of he tried ducking on me too. So like we passed each other Neiman's, right in front of Neiman's, right in front of J1, and then I spun around, and by the time I turned around, he was gone. So he tried going the long way around the deck. So I cut through in front of Legal Seafoods and met him in front of Macy's, and he tried fucking ducking me in front of a couple. I was like, bro, you're not.
All right, you're good here, right?
Yeah. I just he's gonna give me a hard time when we get down there. So like,
I think not Delgado. Panero's gonna come.
Man, I don't give. We have good ideas.
Yeah,
because I can cite him on scene and all that. But I'll send it to you.
And well, there you have it. Another Sovtard who didn't learn his lesson on anything and claims that the court told him all this stuff. Yeah, if the court really told him that this is the right thing to do, wouldn't you think that everybody would be doing it? Yeah, bad information right there, dude. And nice bit of lying, too. So at any rate, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
This could be some groundbreaking stuff right here.
You don't want to go to jail.
For what?
You read this.
I don't have to listen to anything. Blah, 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 blah.
Dude, so there's no way I can get in, bro? Come on, I'll put you on my YouTube.
But shut up, Wesley.
You gotta put signs up, ma'am, if it's...
Are you Glenn Serio?
Who's that?